Alright guys, welcome to another video, and today is another video with you guys. You guys know I'm just gonna show my fireworks, Yeah, that we're gonna do tomorrow. I'm probably gonna do some videos because I have Wi-Fi outside, so yeah. And yeah, I might do Call of Duty today for you guys. But yeah, let's start off with crackers. I got a bunch of these. I think I should say Kick-Ass crackers. These are pretty good. I liked these up before. I lit these up, so we got them again. And I got the Chuku Fountain Fireworks. We got three of those. And then we got the red cracker snaps, where you throw them to the floor and then they make a loud noise. And then we have the Showtime mini smoke. These are just mini smokes when they smoke, Yeah, they just look really cool to me. Yeah, just because they look how much smoke they have inside. Let me see, see all that smoke they have inside? Hold on. Yeah, see all that smoke? Yeah, it's smoke. So you have that. And we have little sparks. These are little sparks. Yeah, I spent like $20 on these stuff. So we have that. So I'll show you everything that I have. I have, I think, like 3 of these. I don't know. So this one. This is different. This is Ground Bloom Flowers. I don't know what this is. You light them up. I don't know, I think that's just something else. No, I'm making sure that nothing goes wrong with this, or else something will go wrong. And then we have, 3 of these. Sparks. Cuckoos. 3 of these cuckoos. And then I have some smoke bombs. These are crackling balls. I don't know what these are. Crackling balls. I just thought they looked cool. So yeah. I have the other one of these. I got a lot. And then I got the 2. And I got these. Got another one. And I'm not going to pick that up, but look here, I'll show you. Here, hold on. Yep. I have to spread that out. Look how much of those crackers I have. There. Oh my god. Okay, so I can't really record that good. There. I have that much crackers. But yeah, guys, so I got 3 of these. These are like really cool. We never tried these out before. That's the thing. But it doesn't really matter, so.